Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to cover Chapter 1, the nature of the economic problem. In this chapter, we're going to cover the various examples and definitions relating to economic problem and the difference between various types of goods, including economic goods and free goods. Now, the first thing we need to cover is the difference between finite resources and unlimited wants. We know that the resources in our world, including renewable resources and non-renewable resources, are limited in quantity. So when you mean by finite means there is a limited amount of resources available for usage for all of us. Now, when it comes to our wants are unlimited. Say, for example, we are given an iPhone 11 Pro. Now, next year, we might have an iPhone 12 Pro. So we as individuals want to get the better phone. So that means that our wants are unlimited, but our resources are limited. This results in the basic economic problem, which is our wants are unlimited and exceed the finite resources we have. Notice the other definitions given over here. We have other key terms such as resources, defined as factors used to produce goods and services. The economic problem, defined as unlimited wants exceeding finite resources, and scarcity, where we have not enough to satisfy everyone's wants. So these terms are linked together because we know that our resources are finite and limited, and because we have unlimited wants, it results in the economic problem. How do we satisfy the unlimited wants that everyone has with a limited amount of resources? This results in scarcity. Scarcity means that there is simply not enough resources to meet everyone's wants. Now, the next thing we're going to cover is the definition of economic goods and free goods. So we know that the vast majority of goods and services are called economic goods. This means that these are goods that were manufactured and are limited in supply. So for example, the computer that you're using or the phone that you're using to listen to this lecture or watch this lecture is an economic good because it was made. So anything that is made through resources is called an economic good. Now, in contrast to that, we have free goods. Free goods are when we do not have to pay to produce them. So for example, we have water, sunshine, anything that is natural and not made through usage of any form of labor or materials is considered a free good. Just consider this as anything that is naturally created by God. So we move on to the definitions over here given, where economic good is defined as a product which requires resources to produce it and therefore has an opportunity cost, while in contrast we have free good, which is a product which does not require any resources to make it and so does not have an opportunity cost.